Hi everyone, this is Brent with ClickFunnels, and I wanted to show you that we have another 72 hours before the ClickFunnels deal goes away. With this deal, you can get 12 months at $2,000 for the entire year, which is $167 a month. That is grandfathered in. That is something you want to take great advantage of. That will allow you to have 3 workspaces, one for you, 2 for customers. That way you have the ability to charge those customers for that space, essentially making the whole package free for you. In addition, there's a lot of pressure on times when you're building a ClickFunnels site for somebody and they want it done right away because they've subscribed and they have all this going on. Well, you can build it in yours, take a little extra time, not rush it, not make them pay ahead of time, and that puts less pressure on you. You can get the work done and then send it over to them, have them subscribe, and make the 40% commission off of them. So you can keep that funnel going too for your customers and essentially pay for your whole membership. And you've got to understand too, you're going to be working with this customer. You can have a monthly fee that you're charging them, anything you want to set, $200, $500, $1,000. I mean, some people build funnels for $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 as they become really good. So you have that ability to do that too. Now, there's a lot of people looking for funnels. They're going to have a marketplace. They have the $2,000 package. You can also get a $10,000 package, which is a one-time $10,000 price. And then you get the first year of ClickFunnels, that $2,000 price for the first year. So you're paying $8,000 additional. And then after that, I believe you pay $500 every 2 years for that accredited training. And that training will let you go into the marketplace, and you can go in there as it is anyway and put yourself up there to get customers. But having that accreditation, of course, is just going to raise you up amongst everyone else in that group. You can put testimonials, you can put your work. So it's going to be a great feature in the future, whether you have the larger package or you just do the 2,000. Now I'm going to say do the 2,000 to start. You can always upgrade to the other one. It may cost a little bit more down the road, but you can see how it fits for you. So you want to take advantage of this. This is a copy of the email that says, as you can see, 72 hours. We didn't know that yesterday, so now we have a time of when it's going to go off. This is October 18th in the evening, so by Thursday night, it's going to be gone, and you're going to want to take advantage of it. Now, in addition to that, you're going to be able to get this 12K in bonuses, and it's actually growing. What I'll need you to do is sign up with the link below, and I'm sorry YouTube for some reason won't actually make it a link. You have to copy and paste it. But if you go through this, just email your receipt right here to c2receipt@clickinfunnels.com, and with that receipt, I'll be able to give you this package. You're going to get this 24-hour ranking system where you're going to understand how to put free ads and put them in the top of Google and YouTube. It's a great asset. It was not going to cost you to put those ads. You just have to keep putting out videos on a certain subject with a certain keywords, and it'll rank you right up there. There's a nice formula that goes through. This is a whole training class, and you'll be able to take advantage of it. Now, they do have an upgrade bonus class with more information, but you probably will not need it because you're going to get this unlimited weekly group coaching. It says it's worth $9,000. I'm going to tell you it's worth more. Every Tuesday, you join it. Paul talks, answers questions, gives you insights, and that training alone is well worth this free price, the $2,000 that you're going to pay for ClickFunnels for an entire year. This is tacked onto it. You can't go wrong with this. You do not want to miss this opportunity for all this free coaching. In addition to that, there's a ranking challenge that you can go through to help understand how to get your things ranked, put you up in front. And there's a lot more things going on too. I believe there's a free funnel, magic funnel, to help you with your emails, and I can help you with that. Paul will explain a lot of that too. So make sure that you sign up using the link down below and email, as it says down here, right to that address, and you'll get those bonuses. So it's a package that's well worth your time and money. And you'll see here, I'm going to bring up here, 1997, That's $167. And as I said, you get 3 funnels right there. You're going to get 3 workspaces. 1 for you again, 2 for your customers. You can sell those to your customers as far as just through your own system, just charge them a monthly fee, or transfer the funnel you make to another plan they sign up under you. And as I said, you get 40% commission. You're going to get this ClickFunnels Classic, the original, for 12 months. You can use that, use it for another customer, transfer a customer from this to the 2.0. You're going to get this secrets course, which is going to pretty much give you all the training you're going to need. Plus, there's always training on YouTube and so forth. You're going to get this Geru Pro account, which allows you to put your funnel in place in front of a customer and say, look, you spend this much money on advertising, and this is your result. So you can show them how much money they're going to make using your system, and that's invaluable. Most people can't do that. You're going to get this script software, which is going to allow you to write copy for your funnels. It's a very important thing to have, lifetime access to that. You're going to get this Secrets Masterclass and the 2 Comma Club Live. You're going to be able to watch that remotely so you can see all the top presenters. It's going to be a 3-day course all day long, and you'll have replays, I believe, with that too. Now, you can go with this $10,000 package. Again, that's up to you, but you will get the same plan as you get here, so it's $8,000 more right now. And you'll get the course. You're going to get certification. There's going to be 15 different options, 15 different funnels you can get certification for. And with those, you're going to become an expert, and you're going to be looked at as an expert, and you'll be able to have a badge for that. You're going to get the Geru agency, which allows you to white label, meaning put your name on this package so that when you demonstrate it, it shows your name. You're going to get the funnel builder search, lifetime access, the agency, and the rest of it too. So you're going to be able, and you'll have this marketplace, which you'll get with this other one, but this will allow you to actually have more authority because you've got the certification. So take advantage of this as you can. Use the links down below, please. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and also make a comment to bring this in front of other people. Share it with them. This is a really valuable opportunity that you're not going to get. They have not had this price since ClickFunnels 1.0, and this will be gone, and then it'll probably be 6 months for that price. So you want to act quickly. You have a 30-day guarantee if you don't like it, and there's nothing to lose on your end. If you need to put it on a charge card and you can get 0% or some low percent, that would be a great way to do it too. So please sign up, use the links below, and we'll be there together to make more funnels and make some great money. This is essentially recession proof if you really work this business, and that's something a lot of people need right now. Thank you.